Hey everyone, I'm Nick and welcome to the channel. This is my 2005 GMC Yukon XL, and if you watched the recent video, you'll know that I just finished fixing the brakes, which is great because it drives really well, but it's really hot right now where I live, and maybe where you live too, because it's really hot in a lot of places right now. And that means that having AC in your car is really important, and it's not working in the Yukon right now, so we're gonna fix that. Part of the reason is the dryer is old and it's not working very well, and the other reason is that there's just no gas in it anymore. So in this video, we're gonna replace the dryer and recharge it. So let's get to it.
To start off, we wanted to make sure the AC system was empty, so we hooked up our AC machine to recover the refrigerant. It turns out it had all leaked out over time anyway, which is why the AC wasn't working, so we moved on to removing the dryer.
All right, so we're gonna replace the filter dryer, which is connected to the system here and here. And it is mounted with a little bolt right there. And that is about it. So we may have to remove this line too to just get it out of the way to pull it out. But if we can do it without removing that, we'll be good to go. There's also a sensor right here we'll have to remove. Just got a little clip here. There we go. And I think this is probably 12 millimeter. We'll see. This is our new part. So that'll go, it goes this way. You can see the stud right there. Top part right here. And is that not a, oh, I see. And then the sensor has a bung that screws on there.
Yep.
So let's get some tools and get this out.
Yeah, 13.
Okay. And I'm gonna need deep socket, probably. But maybe not. Okay, there we go. No, well, we also need a deep 13 anyway.
Once the lines are loose, there's a 10 millimeter bolt that tightens the black strap that holds the dryer in place. There's also a stud that holds the strap to the body, but it was rusty, so I left it because I was worried about snapping it or stripping it.
No, it's trying to unscrew, but it's pretty rusty.
Okay. So
Let's see if we can slide it out. Okay, so this is
we probably just need to
off. Yeah, this is perished.
That's where it's leaking.
Probably. Well, I don't know. I don't see anything coming out of it, but
No, but it was probably leaking when it's pressure.
yeah. Yeah, we'd have to probably remove this line if we want to pull it out of this, or we can try to unscrew this, but I'm worried that it'll get stuck.
Let's just pull the line. The line's easy.
Okay. It doesn't come out. I think I just need to loosen the. Yeah. Right, so I'm going to unscrew this as well using my Knipex pliers wrench. And that is going to be that O-ring looks good.
Yeah, because that one we replaced.
Yeah.
It's actually that one does not look good.
It doesn't?
That's flat as.
The strap needed to be loosened some more.
On both sides? Or the other side?
Yeah.
Here's the old one. You can hear the fluid in it. I'm gonna pull this off too. I really like these because they grip really tightly, they don't slip. So I need a new O-ring here as well. A bit squared off. Oh, there's a valve there too. Oh, I guess that lets you change the sensor without draining the system. Nice. There's a O-ring there. Guess I'll put the O-rings in afterwards. I'll have to put the one from here, change this one.
Yeah.
Oh, this is one from a kit we have. Got this kit a few years ago on Amazon. It's just a bunch of spares. So I'm gonna replace this one here. There we go. The other one is on here. Another metal and rubber one.
There you go.
Okay, and then uncap. I guess I can uncap this at the end.
The looser the strap is, the easier it is to reassemble.
There you go.
It's going in, yeah. Not all the way in, but maybe with the nut.
Yeah.
I think that's good.
Okay.
Did we get the O-ring on this? Yes, we did. Yeah, that one set immediately, which is nice.
So on this truck, we've now refreshed everything except the condenser.
I think so. Plug this connector in. And you got the O-rings on both sides of that.
Yeah.
Just snug it.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let me tighten the clamp. Now it's time to refill the AC system. So we've connected the AC machine, powered it on, and we're gonna pull a vacuum. So got a vacuum here. Open these, they're open over there. And we will start pulling the vacuum. Check the monitor right here. All right, now we're gonna keep an eye on the vacuum. It shouldn't move. So we'll come back in 10 minutes, see if this has moved. All right, now it's been holding well, so we're gonna set our fill amount, set charge. We'll go to 3 pounds, because that's what this truck needs. You can double check on the sticker.
2,500 is 3 pounds.
Oh yeah, 2.8. 3 pounds is what you need if you have a Yukon 2500 with front and rear AC. This is a 1500 with front and rear AC, so it's 2 pounds, 12.8 ounces, so 12.75 on here. And then we hit and open this, charge, and go.
Yep.
And then it started. The starting is dispensing it. You can see the gauge went up on the low line. And we can monitor the temperature over there. We're just going to track how much is dispensed in here. AC compressor came on, this dial went up. Kick back on. Oh shit! This one's leak. Something's leaking. Oh shit! Okay. Close it. Close it. Stop. Shit. So the O-ring blew out. We need to fix this O-ring now. This time we're going to start it before filling it. Hopefully that'll work. We tightened up a few things. All right, let's see.
Up.
What? Oh, it's leaking again. Should I hit stop?
Stop.
Close. Yeah, that O-ring's no good. Damn it. So the O-rings in the connectors on the AC machine were old and rubber and breaking down. I replaced them with a couple of these and they shouldn't blow out anymore. So I think the system's good. I think it was just a leak at the coupler. Now let's try one more time and hopefully everything will work. Yeah, this is working this time, I think. Oh.
It sucks because it just got cooler.
Damn it. I'm gonna try a thicker one because I don't know if these are actually thick enough, because I think this bottoms out before the O-ring. That looks squished enough to you?
Seems to be.
All right, hopefully that'll work. So back to recover.
Yeah.
Of course, between each failure, we set up the machine to recover the gas in the system. We don't want to just vent it into the atmosphere.
All right, so set it to open, chart, or you want to start it first? Okay, go. All right, do we go?
Go for it.
Charge and go. Yeah, the low side pressure is higher than it was before, so.
All right. Compressor is on.
150, 110 here.
Doing
200. We're at 1 pound, 7 ounces.
Alright.
Yeah, the high side is stable at 175 around.
Now I'm not hearing the compressor cycling.
Yeah. We're at 1 pound 1 pound 9 ounces. Oh yeah, that is nice cold air. Cool. So it's the maximum down there. 60 on this truck. 12 pound 6.5 ounces. Yeah, you want to make sure it's also outputting to the rear if you have a dual zone or front rear AC. You're almost there. 2 pound 10.5. High side's at 275 and low side's just under 60.
Yeah, 'cause it's compressing.
Yeah. Almost there, just another ounce. Okay. Close that. And close those up. And that's it.
Powered off.
Let me just close everything and then, yeah. Close the bottle. Yeah, you can power it off. Would have been a lot faster if we'd put the right O-rings on here in the first place. I think they were still the original O-rings or something that a previous owner had put on that weren't the right type. I'm not 100% sure these are the right one, but they are working.
A good thing to note, if you ever buy a used AC machine system cheap, you're gonna have to do maintenance on it. And what we should have done when we replaced these was also replace the O-rings. That would have saved us about an hour and a half worth of troubleshooting. But again, I think this is the 4th time we've used this thing. Comes in clutch.
And with that, the AC is fixed and this truck is ready for the hot and humid months ahead of us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and to hype it. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.